Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Genesis G70? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. Modern dashboard with large infotainment and driver information displays, plus a head-up display for key driving data. An instrument cluster is the digital or analog display located directly in front of the driver, typically behind the steering wheel. An LCD display shows essential vehicle info like speed, fuel, and warnings clearly. The gear system controls the vehicle's speed and torque by selecting different gear ratios. Dual-zone automatic climate control with optional rear climate control touchscreen. Steering wheel with integrated controls for audio, cruise, and driver assist systems. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicator. Seat belt warning light. Airbag warning light. Parking brake and brake fluid warning. Anti-lock brake system. Motor-driven power steering. Charging system warning. Engine oil pressure warning, low fuel level warning. Master warning, electronic parking brake. Low tire pressure warning, forward safety warning. Emergency steering warning, lane safety indicator. Inattentive driving warning, forward attention warning. Intelligent speed limit assist, lane following assist indicator. All-wheel drive, LED headlight warning. Icy road warning, electronic stability control. Electronic stability control, off, immobilizer indicator. Auto stop indicator. Door open indicator. Turn signal indicator, high beam indicator light, light on indicator light, high beam assist indicator, malfunction indicator lamp, auto hold indicator, engine coolant temperature, driver attention warning, intelligent speed limit assist, smart cruise indicator, speed limiter indicator, eco mode indicator, sport mode indicator, custom mode indicator, sport plus mode indicator. Safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.